In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. Following that, get this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now select those two lines at the bottom right one. Click on Settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Finally, check out all of those options, and when you're ready, click on the top right corner. Then bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and pick the best option for you: home screen or home screen and lock screen. Lastly, swipe up from the button of your screen and click on Home button. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!